Did you know a part-time radio technician exposed a $25 million scam that was causing real disasters? Roberto Gutierrez was working the overnight shift at his local radio station in 2022 when something felt wrong. Emergency tornado alerts were blaring across the airwaves, but outside his window, the night was perfectly calm. The alerts directed panicked listeners to donation websites for disaster relief. But there was no disaster. For weeks, Roberto watched fake flood warnings and evacuation orders create mass hysteria while his managers collected millions from terrified people. Real accidents happened as families fled non-existent emergencies. Roberto needed this job desperately, but he couldn't stay silent. He secretly recorded conversations with station managers ordering the fake alerts. Then one night, during a live broadcast of another phony emergency, Roberto did something incredible. He interrupted the transmission and exposed the entire fraud on air. Within hours, the Federal Communications Commission launched an investigation. Station executives were arrested. Roberto received integrity awards and became the National Emergency Broadcast Oversight Director. One man's courage stopped a nationwide scam.